Hello guys, welcome to my live. Bagong araw, bagong video na naman ng mga vlogger. For today's video, ayan, sasamahan namin si Bulongkoy na naman mag-skateboard dito. I-skateboard muna si Bulongkoy, maglalaro na naman siya. Daming tinitinda dito Guys, tingnan natin kung anong tinitinda. Sapatos. Mga Vans, kita idol to Ayan, mga Tagalungos to may-ari nito Ayan si boss. Matig naman si boss. Boss, shout out. Ang dami tinitinda nila boss. Ito sila boss, Tagalungos to sila. Daming bago ngayon. Ayan kami sila yan. Ayan si sir. Vans Country. Tara. Hindi mo naman ako bibilan Bibilan mo ba ako? Tingnan muna natin dito yung mga naglalaro. Andito ang mga magagaling mag-skateboard. Dapat naka-helmet. Ano yung kaibigan ni sir? Ano yung dapat nakapili? Guys, mamimitik muna tayo ng maniningit titira mamaya. Tipitik muna tayo. Daming tao ngayon. Nice boy. Nice shot.
Kaya mo yan, Fred. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo.
Ano ito? Ayun ay bata babayo. Mamimitik tayo, mamimitik. Tapos sumaya papaliparan natin ang drone. Andun yung mga malulupit Nice one. Idol, tira na, dali. Sabihin mo Easy. Nice one. Si Chersby Walang joke. Tayo ka dyan, may tumitira. Nice one, Lord.
Ano po pangalan ng YouTube mo?
Ano? Napaka-vlogger. Napaka-vlogger.
Tara dito. Bawal daw. May ka sa vlog. Bawal daw dito. Bakit?
Daming tumitira dito, doon lang kayo.
Bawal daw dito. Doon lang sa side.
Masasagasaan ka dyan. Nice one.
Nagulat lang.
Andun pa yung mga magagaling eh. Nilalaro pa dun eh.
Dito ba yung menu nila? Para sa mga viewer?
Wait lang, paliparan muna natin ng drone.
I did it all, I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to wherever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? I did it all. I pulled the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. I want it all full send. Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Another time around the block, I loved you around the clock. Break of dawn, might as well be midnight, talking on the dock. Everyone around us knows, they say we're soulmates and it shows. So I wanna see where this could go, this could go. Break the news to everyone, the long time wait is finally done. I wasn't hanging around for fun. You could be the one. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. I want it all full send. Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it
Huli! Eh, huli. Joseph ka lang pala eh. Oh! Yaren magaling din. Wala, may bus. Tirahan tayo. Ayaw nga. sasali na marunong. Teka. Lahat. Akala nila pambata lang. Akala nino. Dito ka. Kasama ka dyan. Dito ka. Nice one. Shoutout ka muna, shoutout.
Ayoko sumama. Ako nga kainin. He jumped. What the shit freaking it? There goes the little shot. Oh. There goes. Whee!
Nice.
Ooh. 9 out of 10. Ooh. 8 out of 10.
Maglaro ka na.
Oh, 32. Wow. Hanggang 9 years old daw yan. Pwede daw.
Ako lang yan. Sabi ka dyan. Oo. Uy, art flip. Andiyan na rin mag-flip. Yun mga napaka, kakain na kami, umuambon na. Baka lumakas yung ulan. Dito naman kami sa mga kainan. Maambon na. Kakain na kami. Hawakan mo na yan, hawakan mo na. Tara. Yan, dito na kami, dito sa kabila. Daming tao. Yan. Yan, nahanap mo na kami ng mga kainan. Daming tao, oh. Yun, dito kami kakain sa ano, Chief Pogi. Wala lang tayo sticker, naglagay sana tayo dito. Naubos na sticker natin. Next time na lang. Ayan, dito kami kakain. Kasi napagod na si Bulunggoy. Siyempre. Pang ano po ito? Sige po. Yan, dito kami. Kasi umaambon. Dito kami dito. Yan. Hintay lang na namin pagkain namin. Umaambon kasi. Dito. Gani dito sa ano, convention paggabi. Maraming tao. Let's go! Yun oh. Kakain na kami. Ay sa akin oh. Ay mami. Kain muna kami mga napaka. At yun na nga, tapos na kami kumain. Uwi na kami. Madilim ba? Madilim nga. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.